In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post Shopify products on Facebook 2025. We'll start inside your Shopify admin. Make sure you're logged into the correct store and that your products are ready with clear photos, accurate titles, and pricing. Good product data will help your items look great once they appear on Facebook. From your Shopify dashboard, head to the Apps section. This is where you'll add the connection that lets Shopify sync your catalog to Facebook. On the Apps page, use the search field and begin typing. As you type, Shopify will highlight matching results. Look for the official Facebook and Instagram app by Shopify. This is the integration that connects your store to Meta so you can feature products on Facebook. Click Facebook and Instagram in the results to open the app listing. Then click it again to enter the app's home inside your store. This takes you to the setup area. Here you'll see a guided onboarding flow that handles the catalog connection for you. Click Get Started. The setup will walk you through authorizing access and preparing your catalog. When you see the prompt to connect, click Connect Account. This is what links Shopify to your Facebook identity so your shop data can sync securely. If a browser pop-up appears, make sure your pop-up blocker isn't preventing it. You'll be directed to log into Facebook. Click Log into Facebook and use the account that manages your business assets. Grant the requested permissions so Shopify can create and update your product catalog. These permissions are required for features like product tagging and displaying items in your Facebook shop. If you manage multiple pages or catalogs, choose the ones that match your Shopify store to avoid confusion. Once connected, Shopify will begin syncing your products in the background. This can take a little time depending on how many items you have, so don't worry if everything doesn't show up instantly. Keep your browser tab open and watch for any prompts about missing details, such as product availability, shipping settings, or policy requirements. Ensuring your items comply with Facebook's commerce policies and have inventory available will help them publish smoothly. After the sync completes, your products become available in Facebook's tools, which means you can create posts and tag products directly or feature them in your Facebook shop. If you update a price, image, or title in Shopify later, the changes will sync automatically, keeping everything consistent. That's it. By opening Shopify, going to Apps, finding Facebook and Instagram, starting the setup, connecting your account, and logging into Facebook, you've enabled a reliable pipeline that gets your Shopify product